On behalf of CFAO Motors, it's a great honor to welcome you in today's commissioning of the Toyota Fortuner assembly and the launch of the very first passenger sports utility vehicle to be locally assembled in our country. Your Excellency, for many years we have been known as Toyota Kenya, but from April this year we are now called CFAO Motors, which stands for Corporation for Africa and Overseas.
We desire to mutually grow and enhance our relationship towards the development of the local assembly industry for Kenyan customers. We will be able to continue our automotive business for Kenya with Kenya and spare no effort to developing the Kenyan automotive industry.
The policy, Kenya Standard KES 1515 and the envisaged bill are in agreement that we have capacity locally to be able to assemble commercial vehicles. I want to assure you that by the end of the year, we are going to transition into 100% reliance of locally assembled commercial vehicles.
The Toyota brand is renowned the world over for manufacturing excellence, for innovation and leadership in technological field, and for remarkable standards of quality. This facility, built at a cost of 120 million with a capacity of 30,000 units, is a vote of confidence in our country, in our economy, and in our people. I want to thank CFAO Motors for this vote in Kenya. Your action underlining the value of investing in this economy and in this country, especially at a time when we need investments to create the opportunities that will help us transform and lift up millions of Kenyans, and that is a very commendable endeavor.
CFAO Motors will work with you in ensuring that we can grow the automotive industry as well as create more opportunities for Kenyan youth to get employment.
Congratulations, CFAO. You have my support and you have the support of the government and the people of Kenya in this endeavor.